Getting the best looking shots is easy with Go Ultra. This guide will show you how. To get the best image quality for most scenarios, enter the settings page by swiping in from the right side of the touchscreen before you start shooting. Here, select automatic mode, set the sharpness to medium, use the standard filter, and make sure you're using the highest bitrate. If you're shooting vlogs, 4K 30 FPS with 4K Active HDR is recommended. This will give you the best image quality by balancing the light and shadows in any day-to-day environment. If your videos are more people-focused, portrait mode is recommended. This feature enhances and improves skin tones and facial brightness in both selfies and group shots. Use PureVideo Mode when shooting in low-light environments to record brighter, clearer footage. When filming sports such as cycling, shooting in 4K 60 FPS will result in smoother, more stable video. For better performance when shooting in places with complex or inconsistent lighting, use 4K 30 FPS with Active HDR to ensure a balance in the lights and shadows that will keep your videos crisp and detailed. To make your videos more immersive overall, select ActionView to get smooth cinematic footage. For live photos, switch to photo mode and tap the circular icon on the left. With this, you can capture the atmosphere of dynamic moments with a few seconds of footage. Master these settings and start your creative journey with Go Ultra.